Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel STRealTech. Today we are going to talk about something super important for every Unity game developer, in-app review on the Google Play Store. If you have ever wondered how top games get so many reviews without annoying users, this video is for you. Instead of sending players outside your game to the Play Store, Google provides an official in-app review system that shows a native review pop-up inside your game. It's clean, fast and 100% Play Store approved. But here are the important part, and many developers get this wrong. You cannot force the review pop-up. Google decides when and if the review dialog appears. Your job is just to request it at the right moment. In this video, I will show you how to add Google Play in-app review in Unity, the official and safe way, when you should trigger the reviews request for the best results, and common mistakes you should avoid using as a Unity developer. We will keep it simple, beginner friendly and production ready. Something you can directly use in your real game. So if you want more ratings, better visibility and higher trust on the Play Store without annoying your players, make sure to watch till the end. Let's jump into the work. So you have to search for a Android for developers. Then you have to go to the Android developer official website. Then go to the Google Play in-app reviews. Then you have to simply go to the integrate in-app reviews Unity. Here you can find multiple systems to import this plugin in your Unity. You can import this using this, or you can simply import it from Unity package. So we will start downloading Unity package. So you have to simply click on this. It is downloaded. We will open this. It is directly open in our project. Now we will simply import all this. Make sure you have an external dependency manager. Mostly developers have multiple external dependencies, so make sure your version matches the current version of your Unity. Import it. If this pop-up appears, then it means your project is safely imported this plugin. So hit apply button. After that, you have to create empty game object, name it as a in-app review manager. Now click on this, write in-app review manager, double click on this. Now first of all, we will create a private variable for review manager. Now we have to add library. So using google.play.review. So if it's for Android, then add this. Then create a private variable for place review info. Then if it is for Android, then works. Then create method, create a coroutine, review flow, then start coroutine in request review method, then call this review flow, because we will call this in uh, we will give it a timer, so it will start after some time automatically, and also we can add this on our button or win screen. So we will create a private variable. We will make it constant. So we will create a key for saving our app in app review. So multiple times player cannot give them a review. Okay. Then if player pref has not key, then review done and invoke request review method. Then we will create a review manager and assign its object, create a variable, name it request flow operation, then assign review manager dot request review flow, and then call yield return request flow operations until our request finishes, and then write if request flow operation dot error, then yield return, sorry, yield break, and also give it a condition if it is not equals to a review error code dot no error, else, sorry, we will add play review info, we will assign a request review request flow operation dot get result, then we will simply create a variable launch flow operation, and we will assign it a review manager dot launch review flow play review info, then we will pass this, and then yield return launch flow operation. Then we will simply save this, that we have given a review player press dot set int review done key, and player press dot save. This is our final script. We will save this, and then we will go to the Unity. It is loading now, and we simply call this from our button, or we can call it from our windscreen. It's better if we call it on our windscreen. So I just want to show that we can call this from a button also. So I will duplicate this button, and I will name it review, and then I will assign this on click. We will drag this in app review manager, and we will call a function request review. Okay, and when we play the game, it only works on Android and iOS after publishing the game on Play Store or App Store. Okay, so we simply mute this first. Where is my review button? So this is my review button. I will change the icon later. Okay, and when we will click this, it will show us a pop-up on the mobile phone. Okay, I will display it on my Android phone in another game. And also you can simply call this request review. I made it public, so you can simply call this from your panel win on enable, or you can call this method in a preview manager. I think it is, yes, it is a singleton. So dot instance, you can call it from its instance dot request review, and when your win panel appears, it will automatically call the request review. Okay, thanks for watching.